Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. Last class what we study? Chemical equation. What is chemical equation? Chemical equation is a symbolic representation of chemical reaction using symbols and formula of the substances. Okay, that is A plus B react to form C and D. Okay, so A and B are reactants, C and D are products. Then, for example, CaO, calcium oxide, react with water to produce calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide react with water to produce calcium hydroxide. Similarly, water H2O react with carbon dioxide to form H2CO3, hydrogen carbonate. Is it clear? No, last year class we discussed this. Okay, that is calcium oxide react with water to produce calcium hydroxide. Water react with carbon dioxide to form hydrogen carbonate. Please listen here. This is the, I told this is the reactant side. This is the product side. Okay, in reactant side, how many calcium is there? One calcium. Is it clear? No. Calcium here, 1. So in that product side, how many calcium is there? That also 1. Okay. Here, in the reactant side, how many oxygen is there? 1, 2. So total oxygen in the left side, that is in the reactant side, 2. So in the product side, how many oxygen is there? 1 into 2. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, so how many oxygen? 2. Okay, then right side, how many hydrogen? Under hydrogen, how many? 2 is the. Okay, so how many hydrogen? 2. So in the product side, 1 into 2. So how many hydrogen? 1 into 2? 2. 2 hydrogen. Is it clear? So left side and right side. Okay, that is same. That is total number of the atoms of the each element of the reactant side as well as the product side are equal. Okay, reactant side calcium 1, product side calcium 1. That is total number of the atoms of the each element. Okay, in the reactant side as well as the product side, both are equal. Such equations are called balanced equation. Okay, for example, I will tell once again, water reacts with carbon dioxide to form hydrogen carbonate. Here, hydrogen is an atom, oxygen atom, carbon is an atom. Product side, hydrogen is an atom, carbon is an atom, oxygen is an atom. So, number of atom. Here, number of hydrogen is there, 2. In the product side, how many hydrogen is there? That also 2. Here, oxygen, let's reactant side, how many oxygen? 1, 2. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 oxygen. Okay, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 oxygen. So, in the product side, how many oxygen? 3 oxygen. Product, oxygen number. Number of oxygen is the 3. Okay, then carbon. So, carbon, 1. In the product side also, 1. Simply we can write here hydrogen. Left side, hydrogen number 2. Product side, hydrogen 2. Reactant side, carbon number 1. Product side, carbon number 1. Oxygen number 1 plus 2, 3. Here oxygen 3. So both side, number of atoms are, reactant side and product side both are equal. Okay, this is the balanced equation. One more example. Hydrogen react with chlorine to produce hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen react with chlorine to produce hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. We know that hydrogen, chlorine, both are diatomic molecule. How we can write? Diatomic molecule. So H2 plus chlorine Cl2. Hydrogen H2, chlorine Cl2 to form hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen H chloride, that is Cl. Hydrogen valency 1. We should write under the subscript of chlorine. Chlorine valency 1. We should write under the subscript of hydrogen. Same valency we can cancel. So the formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. This is the skeletal equation. This is the skeletal equation. Hydrogen, left side. That is the reactant side. How many hydrogen is there? 2. But in the product side, how many hydrogen? 1. Okay. Reactant side, chlorine. How many chlorine is there? 2. But in the product side, how many chlorine? 1. Number of atoms of hydrogen in the reactant side and number of hydrogen in the product side are equal? No, that is not equal. Okay, is it clear? Here hydrogen reactant side and product side's number of atoms are different. So this is the skeletal equation. We need to balance the equation. We need to balance the equation. That is law of conservation of matter. Okay, that you already studied. Law of conservation of mass or matter. What is that? Matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Like 3 reactants undo, atra thanne products undayirikkanam. That is total number of the reactant is equal to total number of the product, or total mass of the reactant is equal to total mass of the product. That is compulsory. That is the law of conservation of mass. Is it clear now? So we need to balance the equation. How we can balance the equation? That is very, very important. How we can balance the equation. This is, I told this is the skeletal equation. Okay, so how we can balance? Left side, that is in reactant side, hydrogen number 2. Right side 1. Which side less number of atom? എവിടെയാണോ ലെസ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ആറ്റം ഉള്ളത് അവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, വിച്ച് സൈഡ് ലെസ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ദ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് സൈഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ഓഫ് ദ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, എപ്പോഴും ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ഓഫ് ദ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്. ഡോണ്ട് റൈറ്റ് അണ്ടർ ഓഫ് ഹൈഡ്രജൻ, ഡോണ്ട് റൈറ്റ് അണ്ടർ ദ ക്ലോറിൻ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റോങ്. Okay, left side only we are multiplying. Okay, left side only we are multiplying. Okay, so first we are multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, is it clear? Now you check how many hydrogen. Already 1 is there. So 1 into 2. 1 into 2. This 2 HCl means, how we can explain? 2 HCl means 1 HCl plus 1 HCl. Okay, 1 HCl plus 1 HCl, that is equal to 2 HCl. Is it clear? That means 1 into 2. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Now how many hydrogen? 2. Hydrogen number 2. Okay, left side, that is reactant side. How many chlorine? 2 is there. So in the product side, 1 into 2. Okay, 1, 2s are 2. So chlorine number also 2. Now this equation is balanced. Okay, now this equation is balanced. Is it clear now? One more example. Magnesium. Magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium is a monoatomic molecule, so Mg. React with oxygen. Oxygen is a diatomic molecule, so O2 to form magnesium Mg plus oxygen O2 to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium symbol Mg. Oxide means that is oxygen. Magnesium valency 2. We should write under the subscript of oxygen. Oxygen valency 2. We should write under the subscript of magnesium. Same valency we can cancel each other. No needed to write. Is it clear? Then life side. So this equation is skeletal equation. This is the skeletal equation. Okay. So how we can balance the equation? Here left side, reactant side, magnesium is equal to 1. Is it clear? Product side, magnesium. Nothing is there means that is 1. Okay. So magnesium is equal to 1. Then oxygen, reactant side, number of oxygen is the reactant side, number of oxygen is the 2. Okay, under 2 is the, so 2. Okay, in the product side, how many oxygen? 1. Is it clear? So, magnesium and both are reactant side and product side, both are same. But oxygen, in the case of oxygen, reactant side is high. Okay, oxygen less. So which side is less oxygen is there? That is in the product side. Okay, so we can multiply it by left side of that compound. Our compound in the left side, we should multiply it by 2. Okay, so multiply it by 2. Okay, left side of that compound we should multiply. So 2. So now how many magnesium? 1 into 2. 1 into 2? 2. So now magnesium is changed to 2. Okay. Then oxygen. How many oxygen? 1. 1 into 2. 1 into 2? 2. So oxygen number 2. Now you check. Oxygen number same. Okay. But magnesium, what about magnesium? Again that changed. Okay. So which side? Less number of magnesium, that is in the reactant side. Okay, here less number of magnesium, so multiplied by 2 on the left side of that element. Here element only, so left side of that element we should multiply. So magnesium, how many magnesium? 1 into 2. 2 magnesium. Is it clear? So 2 magnesium, 2 magnesium, correct. 2 oxygen, 1 into 2. 2 oxygen is there. So reactant side and product side are same. So this is the balanced chemical equation. This equation is called balanced chemical equation. Next example, hydrogen react with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen react with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen and oxygen are reactants. Both are diatomic molecule. So hydrogen H2 plus oxygen O2 to form water. Formula H2O. Okay, this is the balanced equation? No, it is not a balanced equation. How we can identify that it is not a balanced equation? We can check. Hydrogen, left side, how many hydrogen? 2. Product side, how many hydrogen? 2. Okay. Is it clear? That is 1. 1 into 2. 2. Okay. Then oxygen. How many oxygen in the reactant side? 2. So how many oxygen in the product side? 1 into 1. 1 only. Okay. So it is not a balanced equation. So how we can balance that equation? So here oxygen number 2, here product side oxygen number 1. So which side less number of oxygen? That is on the product side. So we should multiply it by 2 on the left side of that water compound. Okay, that compound. So multiplied by 2 on the left side of that compound. Okay, now again we can check. So how many hydrogen? 2 into 2. 2 into 2? 4. So this hydrogen changed to 4. Now product side, how many hydrogen? 4. Okay, so now oxygen number 1 into 2. 1 into 2? 2. So now oxygen number 2. Is it clear? Now again we can check that reactant side. How many hydrogen? 2. How many oxygen? 2. So oxygen part correct. But hydrogen part is not correct, no. So here 4, here 2. So which side less number of hydrogen? That is the reactant side. So multiplied by less side of that element or compound. Here 2. So multiplied by 2. Now 2 into 2. 4 hydrogen. Now hydrogen on the left side. That is on the reactant side 4. Okay. That is in the product side. Hydrogen 4. Oxygen 2. Oxygen 2. Now the equation is balanced. This is the balanced chemical equation. Is it clear? One more example. Iron react with hydrochloric acid. Iron react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid to form iron 2 chloride. Iron 2 chloride and hydrogen. Iron 2 chloride and hydrogen. Iron 2 chloride and hydrogen. Iron symbol Fe plus hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Okay, hydrogen chloride, so HCl to form, that is hydro, that is H, chloric, that is chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine valency both are same, that is 1. So we can cancel each other. So you will get the hydrochloric acid formula HCl to form iron 2 chloride. Iron 2 chloride. Iron Fe. So iron valency is we are writing in the Roman letter. So iron 2, that means iron valency is 2. Okay, iron 2 means valency of iron is 2. And chlorine, that is Cl. So iron valency 2, we should write under the subscript of chlorine. Chlorine valency 1, we should write under the subscript of iron. So the formula of iron 2 chloride is FeCl2 plus hydrogen. Hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. So H2. Now we can check this is balanced equation or not. Iron left side, that is reactant side, iron number 1. In the product side, Fe1. Okay, then hydrogen 1. Product side, how many hydrogen? 2. Okay, chlorine number 1. In the product side, how many chlorine? 2. Now you check, is this balanced equation? No, because hydrogen number and chlorine number is not same as that of each other. Okay, reactant side and product side is not similar. So how we can balance the equation? Which side is less number of hydrogen and chlorine? That is on the reactant side. Okay, so here, okay, hydrogen number and chlorine number both are same, that is 1, that is on the left side. So multiplied by left side of that compound. Okay, left side of that compound. Now check iron Fe1, product side 1, hydrogen 1 into 2. Okay, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 2. So now hydrogen number 2 and chlorine 1 into 2. So now chlorine number 2. So in the product side, iron 1 into hydrogen 2. So this equation is balanced. Is it clear now? One more example. Zinc react with sulfuric acid. Zinc, Zn, react with sulfuric acid. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. H2SO4. That is sulfuric acid. Zinc react with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate. So zinc is there and sulfate is there. So SO4. Zinc valency 2, sulfate valency 2. We can cancel. So the formula of zinc sulfate is ZnSO4 plus hydrogen. Now we can check this equation is balanced or not. Okay. So reactant side and product side. Reactant side, how many zinc? 1. In the product side, how many zinc? 1. Nothing is the mix, that is 1. Okay. In the reactant side, how many hydrogen? 2. Product side, how many hydrogen? 2. Okay. In the sulfur, how many sulfur? 1. Here, 1. So, reactant side and product side both are 1. How many oxygen? Oxygen number 4. Here, oxygen number 4. So, same hydrogen, same sulfur, same oxygen, same. So this equation is balanced equation. No need to balance it. Okay.